TR3-B black manta is reported as having a triangular shape and dark color, typically observed at night, described as large, silent, hovering slowly, and displaying pulsating and colored lights. It is rumored to have been developed from secret research seized from the Nazis after World War II. It is believed that to be capable of high G-turns, undetectable on radar, the TR3-B uses an engine system that seems akin to anti-gravity magic, using highly pressurized mercury accelerated by nuclear energy. The plasma created by this process forms an anti-gravity field around the craft. The core of the propulsion system is an electromagnetic coil that interacts with the Higgs boson field at the quantum level. It doesn't utilize traditional turbine or rocket engines, but generates thrust through high-energy plasma. Allegations of the TR3-B's existence have swirled for years, with reports of sightings and even a crash in England in 1994. A series of U.S. patents related to anti-gravity technology describe a triangle-shaped craft using an inertia mass reduction device, further fueled speculation. The Belgian UFO wave between late 1989 and 1990 stands as one of the most well-documented and extraordinary events in modern UFO history.
These objects kept coming back to Belgium month after month after month. What most people were seeing was a triangular-shaped craft with a red light in the middle and a bright white light on either of the three corners of the triangle.
The wave reached its climax on March 3, 1990.
Large numbers of people in Belgium and also northwestern Germany saw mystifying objects zipping around the skies.
The Belgian military was forced to engage, scrambling 2 F-16 jets after the objects were picked up on radar.
There's a Belgian captain that was on a patrol. He sees this massive triangle shape hovering in the sky, and he immediately calls military headquarters. Well, meanwhile, local and civilian radar is picking up these gigantic objects. NATO is too.
The jets observed erratic behaviors,
Something jumping huge distances in the blink of an eye.
extraordinary acceleration, and the ability to drop altitude by 4,000 feet within a second.
That's nearly a mile in just 1 second. Pretty extraordinary.
What happened next was a cat-and-mouse type chase. The 2 F-16 pilots would get the UFO on their radar. As soon as they did, it would disappear. It happened twice. After an hour-long chase, the UFO was lost over the city of Brussels.
The craft's technical capabilities were unlike anything seen before, displaying an incredible range of speed and maneuverability.
It showed the ability to go at very, very slow speeds, slower than any kind of aircraft stall speed. Shouldn't be able to go that slow. And then to have speeds that were comparable to an F-15, F-16 or faster.
The event led to a formal investigation by the Belgian government. Colonel Dubrow was tasked with managing the Air Force investigation, seeking explanations from other NATO countries, including the U.S., to determine if the objects were experimental aircraft. Many suspected that the TR3-B was the craft seen in the Belgian wave. This craft, costing $3 billion to create, was said to have the ability to cloak itself and manipulate radar. Despite the U.S. government's denial of any knowledge of these triangular objects, thousands of eyewitnesses around the world have reported seeing these black triangles.
The interesting thing about the TR3-B is how similar it looks to the Belgian sighting.
There is rumors has been around since the 1990s.
It's my personal assessment that 95% of what people are reporting are in point of fact our own deep black programs.
The Belgian UFO wave raises critical questions about the nature of these sightings. Are they of extraterrestrial origin, or could they be top-secret U.S. air